Now, welcome everyone to this great event.
They said everything is bigger in Texas, and I tend to agree. This is an amazing show.
As a title sponsor, we're absolutely delighted to welcome you to the show.
We create an environment where people can talk about challenges and opportunities in the coffee industry.
It's really rejuvenating to see what's happening in coffee.
This year is special because we're in Houston. Houston is a crossroads of North America and Latin America, and that's really important for coffee.
There is something for everyone at this show, whether it's a lecture, a workshop, or just making a new connection.
It's an event that brings all the industry of coffee, but also hospitality industry together.
Together with that will of sharing our knowledge of the best coffee of the world.
If you're in the business of coffee, this is the place to be.